In this video, I will do question number 3 of exercise 13.2. Question number 3 is construct the two line segments of 4.9 cm and 7.7 cm using ruler and compass only. So what we will do? We will draw a long line with the help of a scale, and then we will take point on the line. Let this point be A. Now we will open the compass equal to 4.9 centimeter. Keep the tip of your compass at the starting point and open it till 4.9. So it is exactly 4.9 now. Keep the tip of your compass at this point A. After keeping it at point A, mark small arc on the line. Let this point be B. This point is a B. Now it is a line segment of length 4.9 centimeter. Now again we have to draw a line segment of 7.7 centimeter length. What we will do? We will draw a long line. And mark point A, or let us take P. This point is P. Now with the help of a scale, open your compass equal to 7.7. So it is 7. Count 7 small parts after this. After 7. Now it is exactly 7.7. Keep the tip of your compass at this point P and mark small arc on the line. Let this point be Q. This point is Q. So now this PQ is of length 7.7 centimeter. Now is question number 4. Construct the three line segments of 3.5 centimeter, 7.1 centimeter and 8.3 centimeter using a ruler and compass only. So again what we will do? We will draw a line of any length and mark point A. On the one end we have to take it 3.5 centimeter. With the help of scale, open your compass equal to 3.5 centimeter. It is 3.5. After opening it 3.5, keep the tip of your compass at this point A and mark small arc. Let this point be B. Now this line segment is of length 3.5 centimeter, and second part of this is we have to draw a line segment of length 7.1 centimeter. So you draw a long line and let us take here point A. Now open your compass equal to 7.1 centimeter. It is 7. After 7 you take one small division. Now it is 7.1 centimeter. Keep the tip of your compass at this point A and mark small arc on the line. Let this point be B. Now this AB is of length 7.1 centimeter and third line segment is of length 8.3 centimeter. Now draw a long line and let this point be P. Open your compass 8.3 centimeter. Keep the tip of your compass at the starting point till here is 8. Count small 3 divisions after 8. Now keep the tip of your compass at this point and mark an arc. Let this point be Q, and this PQ is of length 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 centimeter. That's all. Thank you.